Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. Wassalatu wassalamu ala khatamin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in amma ba'd. Fa'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allah ta'ala fi Surah An-Nisa. إنا أوحينا إليك كما أوحينا إلى نوح والنبيين من بعده وأوحينا إلى إبراهيم وإسماعيل وإسحاق ويعقوب والأسباط وعيسى وأيوب ويونس وهارون وسليمان وآتينا داود زبورا. Translation: Indeed, we have sent revelation to you as we sent to Noah and other prophets after him, and as we revealed to Ibrahim and Ismail and Ishaq and Yaqub, Jacob, and to his descendants, and Isa, Jesus, and Ayub, Job, and Yunus, Jonah, and Harun, and to Sulaiman, Solomon, and Dawood, David. We gave Zabur, book of Psalms. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentioned in this ayah that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has sent revelation to Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam as he had sent revelation to other prophets. So this ayah would relieve any objection of those who were saying that Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam na'uzu billah is saying something new and inventing something new. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala sent this ayah that this is nothing new. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has sent this revelation before. And also Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has mentioned that even previous messengers were among the humans. So this is nothing new that Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam has been given the revelation of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Even if somebody says that we had no idea about the prophets before, then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has sent that. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has sent the revelation to prophets before, and he's sending this revelation to Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam because to bring the creations toward the right path, the revelation through the messengers is necessary, because no one can reach the true iman and the true religion without the guidance of the prophets. Then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is mentioning some of the prophets who were known to the Jews and who were mentioned in the previous books of Allah, including the prophets Ibrahim, Ismail, Ishaq, Yaqub, descendants of Yaqub, Jesus, Job, Jonah, Harun, Sulaiman, and David or Dawood alayhi salam. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has sent the book of Psalms to Dawood, which is known as Zabur in Arabic. In Quran, there are 24 prophets mentioned by name. And as per hadith of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Adam alayhi salam was also the prophet. In the hadith, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam says that in the day of judgment, there won't be any prophet who will not be under my banner from Adam alayhi salam or any other prophet, meaning that Hazrat Adam alayhi salam was also a prophet of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So the total number of prophets were 25 that are mentioned in Quran, and as per the other narrations, there are 124,000 messengers that were sent. However, it is recommended that one should not remember the number when saying that I believe the prophets, that many prophets. He should say that I believe all the prophets that are sent by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, so that there is no extra prophet included in the number or no prophet missed from the number. Out of those 124,000 prophets, there are 315 prophets that were the Rasuls of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that were sent to a specific nation. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us true understanding of Quran and make us among 100% Muslims. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.